On the metal part, 117 degrees, guys, 117 degrees. So check it out now. It's been about 3 minutes now, and we're dropping to about 86 degrees, guys. It keeps dropping even. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video, guys. We will explain how to make your house air conditioner to actually blow colder air and use less energy, to be more efficient, and actually the compressor will not be working really hard, so it will last longer as well. So all that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos to teach you how to do pretty much anything on a car, how to fix almost anything. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can, guys. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. If you need to buy parts, tools that we'll be using, or parts and tools for your car for a really good price, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So what we have here specifically, guys, this is a misting system, cooler mister. Check this thing out. It comes with those are the ones that are made out of metal, brass. They're amazing, guys. They're not the cheap plastic ones. You can remove them, clean them, make them longer, shorter. It explains about all that. You just connect it to your water hose. It doesn't use much water. They're very economical, but also they will make your air conditioner run much colder, guys, because actually the condenser will get wet. When it's wet, it cools really easy, and we're going to talk about that now. So let's show you now. Here we're going to go outside where the air conditioner is. We have one AC unit here for the garage itself. Check this thing out. That's the one that's working now. Okay, and it's working practically all the time. One thing that can make them really efficient and to use less energy is just power wash them with a low pressure power washer or with a hose at a 45-degree angle, and that way it will keep the condenser cool. Now I have right here, guys, I have the let me switch to Fahrenheit. I have the heat gun here, and I want to show you the temperature that we have specifically here now. On the metal part, 117 degrees, guys, 117 degrees. Okay, about 117. So we're going to go ahead, install it, and see if it's going to decrease that temperature. It means that the AC will run cooler and it will be more efficient. Now all we have to do, this is, guys, the check this thing out. It's just the end right here that you attach to your garden hose. Okay, and we need to have the seal right here. So you can see we install the seal. Now we are setting the garden hose here, a little bit of an extension, so we can get to it, connect it, and we'll see how it performs. So check it out. We're just connecting it here to the garden hose end. We're going to get it tight, and then we're going to, guys, use some, I hate those motorcycles, some zip ties we're going to use now, and we're going to install some misters on the main AC for the house, and some for the one for the garage for the shop as well. So we're going to go ahead, just install them, and we'll continue. So we're getting a zip tie, and we're going to go through the through the metal here, but always make sure the AC is off when you work on them. Not for some reason to have something here, put your finger or something and turn on. Never stay close to the fan. We're on the outside of the condenser, and by being turned off it will be cooler too. So always turn it off when you're doing that. Okay, so that's what we're doing. We install, guys. Okay, you can see 1, 2, we go to number 3 and 4 on this body, because this is a bigger AC body, and we're going to go to condenser number 2, and we're going to install 3 of them here. They will be connected because the distance between both is very minimal. So we'll just go ahead and install that one now. Okay, let's get it tight, and we're going to put it to the test in a little bit. So we turn it on, you can see the misters are on, you can see the mist guys going, okay, like that, but this AC is not working now, so the mist is practically not being used. So at that point you can see it doesn't do anything, right? But if you look at that one, we just turn it on and there is no mist coming out due to the fact that the AC, when it works, the fan pulls from outside to the inside and all the mist goes inside the air conditioner. Even though you can see it's coming out, okay, it's misting, all that comes through the body on top, and that way, okay, it's cooling everything. Now it's been less than probably 1 minute and we want to see if there is a difference, immediate difference. We are at 89 degrees guys, 89, 90, 89, 89 degrees. So we dropped significant amount. Okay, right here, house is at 85 now. So check it out now. It's been about 3 minutes now and we're okay dropping to about 86 degrees guys. It keeps dropping even more. The difference is tremendous. I mean, you touch it, you put your arm hand here and you feel that it's cool air coming instead of that hot air that was coming. Now it got hotter than what it was before, so it was supposed to be probably at now, without the things on, it will probably blow at about 98 to 100, and we keep dropping to 82, 83. We hit a hot spot somewhere, 82, 83, you can see perfect, just like that. So guys, this is a life-saving device in my opinion. I'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. Thank you for watching and see you next time.